Did you know that the choices you make every day, no matter how small, can significantly impact our planet? Welcome to Thrive, your go-to channel for education and making life better. At Thrive, we're passionate about helping you create positive change in your life and the world around you. We believe that by making informed and mindful decisions, we can all contribute to a healthier, more sustainable future. Whether it's through eco-friendly living, personal growth, or wellness tips, we're here to guide and support you on your journey to a better life. In today's episode, we're diving into an essential and timely topic: eco-friendly living. We'll explore simple yet effective steps you can take to reduce your carbon footprint and make a lasting impact on the environment. From energy efficiency tips to sustainable transportation and waste reduction strategies, we've got you covered. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey towards a greener, more conscious lifestyle, stay tuned. And remember, every small step counts. Together, let's thrive and make life better for ourselves and future generations. First, let's understand what a carbon footprint is. A carbon footprint refers to the total amount of greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, that are emitted directly or indirectly by human activities. This includes everything from the energy we use in our homes to the food we eat and the transportation we use. Each of these activities produces emissions that contribute to our overall carbon footprint. High carbon emissions have a profound impact on the environment. When these gases accumulate in the atmosphere, they trap heat, leading to a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. This warming effect contributes to global climate change, resulting in a range of environmental issues such as global warming, extreme weather, sea level rise, biodiversity loss, and ocean acidification. Every individual contributes to the overall carbon footprint through their daily activities. Common sources of carbon emissions in our everyday lives include energy use at home, transportation, diet and food choices, waste generation, and consumer goods. Heating, cooling, and electricity usage contribute significantly to household carbon emissions. Driving cars, flying, and using public transportation all produce emissions. The type of vehicle and the distance traveled play a significant role in the carbon footprint. The production, transportation, and consumption of food, particularly meat and dairy, have a considerable impact on carbon emissions. The waste we produce, especially plastic waste, contributes to carbon emissions through production and disposal processes. Manufacturing, packaging, and shipping consumer products like electronics, clothing, and other household items contribute to carbon emissions. Reducing our carbon footprint is crucial for mitigating the negative effects of climate change and protecting our planet for future generations. By making conscious choices and adopting eco-friendly practices, we can lower our carbon footprint and help decrease the overall concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Sustainable practices help conserve natural resources like water, energy, and raw materials. Reducing pollution and improving air quality can lead to better health outcomes for communities. By minimizing our impact on the environment, we help preserve habitats and protect wildlife. Many eco-friendly practices, such as energy efficiency and reducing waste, can also lead to cost savings. In this episode, we'll explore simple and practical steps you can take to reduce your carbon footprint and make a positive impact on the environment. Stay tuned as we discuss energy efficiency tips, sustainable transportation options, waste reduction strategies, and more.
You're with Thrive, the channel dedicated to education, awareness, and elevating daily life. Stay tuned and let's thrive.
Let's dive into practical steps you can take to reduce your carbon footprint. These simple actions can make a significant difference in minimizing your impact on the environment. Energy efficiency at home is a great place to start. Reducing energy consumption not only lowers your carbon footprint, but also saves you money on utility bills. Begin by using energy-efficient appliances, such as LED light bulbs, energy-saving refrigerators, and washing machines with high energy ratings. Make it a habit to turn off lights, electronics, and appliances when they're not in use. Consider installing a smart thermostat to optimize heating and cooling, ensuring you're not using more energy than necessary. Next, let's talk about sustainable transportation. The way we move around plays a significant role in our carbon emissions. Whenever possible, opt for public transportation, carpooling, biking, or walking instead of driving alone. If you need to drive, consider switching to an electric or hybrid vehicle, which has a lower carbon footprint compared to traditional gasoline-powered cars. Additionally, try to combine errands into one trip to reduce the total distance traveled. Waste reduction is another crucial aspect of lowering your carbon footprint. Start by practicing the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing waste means being mindful of what you buy and opting for products with minimal packaging. Reusing items, such as shopping bags, water bottles, and containers, helps decrease the demand for single-use plastics. Recycling ensures that materials like paper, glass, and certain plastics are processed and repurposed instead of ending up in landfills. Composting organic waste, like food scraps and yard clippings, is another effective way to reduce your carbon footprint and create nutrient-rich soil for gardening. An eco-friendly diet can significantly impact your carbon emissions. The production and transportation of food, especially meat and dairy products, contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Consider incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet, as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains generally have a lower carbon footprint than animal products. Additionally, support local and organic produce, which often requires fewer resources to grow and transport. Reducing food waste by planning meals, storing food properly, and using leftovers can also lower your environmental impact. Water conservation is an essential component of eco-friendly living. Simple changes can help you save water and reduce your carbon footprint. Fix leaks promptly, install water-saving fixtures like low-flow shower heads and faucets, and use water-efficient appliances. Be mindful of your water usage by taking shorter showers, turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, and using a broom instead of a hose to clean driveways and sidewalks. Supporting sustainable brands and products is another effective way to reduce your carbon footprint. Many companies are now prioritizing sustainability and offering eco-friendly alternatives. Look for products made from recycled materials, those that are biodegradable, or come from companies with strong environmental practices. By choosing these products, you support businesses that are committed to reducing their environmental impact and encourage more companies to follow suit. Incorporating these simple steps into your daily routine can help you reduce your carbon footprint and make a positive impact on the environment. Remember, every small action counts, and together, we can create a more sustainable future. Stay tuned as we discuss the long-term benefits of eco-friendly living and how it contributes to overall wellness. Let's explore the long-term benefits of eco-friendly living and how it contributes to overall wellness. By adopting sustainable practices, you can experience positive impacts on your health, finances, and the environment. First, let's talk about the health benefits. Reducing your carbon footprint can lead to a healthier lifestyle. By choosing eco-friendly practices such as walking, biking, or using public transportation, you incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine, which can improve your cardiovascular health, boost your mood, and increase your overall fitness levels. Additionally, opting for a plant-based diet and consuming more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can improve your nutrition and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Eco-friendly living also contributes to better air and water quality. By reducing emissions from vehicles and energy use, you help decrease air pollution, which can lead to improved respiratory health and a lower incidence of conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Similarly, practices like reducing plastic waste and using biodegradable products can help prevent water pollution, ensuring cleaner water sources for you and your community.
You're tuned into Thrive, your essential hub for education, insight, and enhancing your everyday life. Stick with us and let's thrive together.
Next, let's discuss the financial savings associated with eco-friendly living. Many sustainable practices can lead to significant cost savings. For example, using energy-efficient appliances and reducing energy consumption can lower your utility bills. Similarly, reducing water usage and conserving resources can result in lower water bills. By minimizing waste and opting for reusable products, you can also save money in the long run by reducing the need to frequently purchase disposable items. Choosing local and seasonal produce not only supports local farmers, but can also be more cost-effective, as these products often require fewer resources to grow and transport. Additionally, investing in durable, high-quality items instead of cheap, disposable products can save you money over time by reducing the need for frequent replacements. The positive environmental impact of eco-friendly living is perhaps one of the most significant long-term benefits. By reducing your carbon footprint, you contribute to the global effort to combat climate change and protect the planet for future generations. Sustainable practices help conserve natural resources, preserve biodiversity, and reduce the overall environmental impact of human activities. By making conscious choices, you can help mitigate the effects of global warming, protect ecosystems, and ensure a healthier planet for all living beings. Furthermore, adopting eco-friendly practices can inspire others to do the same. When people see the positive changes in your lifestyle and the benefits you're experiencing, they may be encouraged to follow suit. This ripple effect can lead to a more significant collective impact, amplifying the positive outcomes for the environment and society as a whole. In summary, eco-friendly living offers numerous long-term benefits, including improved health, financial savings, and a positive environmental impact. By making sustainable choices and adopting eco-friendly practices, you can enhance your overall well-being and contribute to a healthier, more sustainable future. Remember, every small step counts, and together, we can make a difference.
In conclusion, adopting eco-friendly practices and reducing your carbon footprint is not just about protecting the environment. It's about creating a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle for yourself and future generations. By making conscious choices in areas such as energy use, transportation, diet, waste reduction, and water conservation, you can experience numerous long-term benefits. These include improved health, financial savings, and a positive impact on our planet. Remember, every small step counts. Whether it's switching to energy-efficient appliances, opting for plant-based meals, or supporting sustainable brands, your actions can make a significant difference. By taking these steps, you not only contribute to the fight against climate change, but also inspire others to join the movement towards a greener, more sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better eco-friendly living. We hope you found these tips and insights helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends. Together, let's thrive and make life better for ourselves and future generations. Stay radiant and healthy,